Heloise had beautiful blonde locks, big blue eyes, and a magnificent smile. She really liked singing and dancing, but loved doing puzzles even more. At school, she liked her teacher, Valerie, but not little Matteo that would say naughty words. At home, she would devour history books about fairies and princesses. And when she was good, she liked watching cartoons about magical cool adventures. Like a lot of little girls, she had a lot of toys. She had dolls. Louisette was her favorite one, or Carrot with her red hair. Outfits and other treasures were in her chest of toys. But the one that she loved above any, and the one that she couldn't get away from, was her stuffed cat, Nougat. Nougat had entered Heloise's life from the moment she was born in the hospital. He was offered by her grandma, and he has not left her side ever since. Unfortunately, sometimes Nougat will stay on her bed or stuck in another part of her bedroom. And thus, drama happened. Heloise cried, shouted. She didn't want to leave her car. She would want to go back to get it, and when it was not possible, she would sob with no end. Nougat! Nougat! One evening at her granny's, and when she was about to go to bed, she realized that Nougat was not on her bed. She started panicking and quickly put her nightgown on, ready to face the cold winter to get her loyal companion back. As she was about to open the door, her granny caught up with her. "It's too late to be going back to yours tonight, Heloise. It's already night time, so Nougat is probably already asleep. Go back to your room. I will come tuck you in."